Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect crypto.com to Phantom Wallet. First, make sure both apps are updated and you have your account unlocked. Open Phantom, choose Connect Wallet, and select Wallet Connect or browser extension as appropriate. On crypto.com, approve the connection request and verify the destination address matches your Phantom account. Always confirm network settings and never share your private key or seed phrase with anyone. Start by unlocking both crypto.com and Phantom on the same device or browser. In Phantom, enable Wallet Connect support or confirm the browser extension is authorized. In crypto.com, go to Settings and prepare to scan a QR code or approve a connection prompt. Confirm that the displayed wallet address on both apps matches exactly before approving. Keep your recovery phrase offline and never paste it into websites or messages. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy helpful tools, subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping for hands-free floor care and fewer interruptions while you manage crypto. It's a small convenience that keeps your space tidy while you focus on secure wallet connections. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Initiate the connection by choosing Wallet Connect in Phantom and scanning the QR with crypto.com or use the browser extension Handshake. A connection request will appear. Carefully compare the receiving address and network label on both apps. Approve only if they match perfectly. To be safe, send a small test transfer first and confirm receipt in Phantom. Once verified, you can send larger amounts and manage tokens from a connected Phantom interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.